Ductless heat pumps in Sioux City, Iowa go together. A ductless system, also known as a ductless mini-split, is the ultimate problem solver for many home comfort challenges. Daikin Air Intelligence is the world leader in ductless systems, with one of the best warranties in the business. Are your energy bills too high? Are you concerned with your indoor air quality? Do you have annoying hot and cold spots? A ductless heating and cooling system is easy to add to just about any house and offers some of the highest energy efficiencies, many homeowners saving up to 50% on their utility bills. Adding air conditioning is easy when you go ductless because you don't need ductwork. The best news is one unit both heats and cools, so it provides year-round comfort. Turn to the experts at Excel Comfort Heating and Air Conditioning to handle your home heating and cooling. Call 712-223-8101.